Hello, kids.
Hello!
How are you?
I'm good!
Who is it? Hey, who is it?
It's me!
Whoa! Whew. Look, it's a parrot. Hello, parrot.
Hello!
Whew. Do you want to listen to a story about a parrot? Yes. Let's go. It's colorful parrot. It's big, colorful parrot. It's green and yellow and red and blue. I like the parrot. Parrot, who are you?
I'm a bird!
A bird? Birds can fly.
Yes!
Can you fly?
Yes! I can fly!
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, fly! Wow! It's so cool! You can fly! Woohoo!
I can fly!
Children, he can fly! Cool! Parrot, do you want to see what I have?
Yes!
Are you hungry?
Yes!
Yes, let's eat.
No!
Why?
Let's call my baby!
Your baby?
Yes!
Okay, let's call your baby. Baby parrot! Hello!
Hello, children! Hello, Dima!
Hello.
Mommy! Hello!
Let's eat. Do you want a watermelon?
Yes, children! I am hungry! I want a watermelon! Give me some watermelon!
Big juicy watermelon.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Woo. Thank
Cool.
you!
Okay. Baby parrot.
Yes.
Do you want an orange? Orange.
No, I don't like oranges. Mommy, do you want an orange? Yes!
Okay. Here you are. Stop. Okay. What's next?
I am hungry! Give me some food!
More food?
Yes!
Okay. The next is kiwi. Kiwi. Green kiwi.
Oh, I like kiwi. Kiwi is green. I am green too. Give me some kiwi, please.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Okay. So the next is banana. Banana.
Oh, bananas are yellow.
Yes,
I like bananas. Peel the banana. Peel
Okay.
the banana.
Peel the banana. Peel banana. Oh, here it is.
Woohoo! Hooray!
Baby parrot, do you like bananas?
Yes! Give me a banana!
Okay, here you are. Oh, stop, baby.
Ah, thank you!
Are you full?
No.
No?
I am hungry.
Still hungry?
Yes, give me some food.
Okay, but I have only apple.
Ooh, apple. I like apples. Give me an apple, please.
Okay, here you are.
Oh, wait. Mommy, do you want an apple? Yes, apple. Here you are.
Here you are.
Thank you, Dima. Thank you.
You are. Okay, kids. Did you like the story about Mommy Parrot
Mommy!
and Baby Parrot?
Baby!
I hope you did. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.